Once upon a time, in a grand palace there lived a royal family. The king, King Edward, was a wise and kind ruler. His queen, Queen Isabella, was beautiful and graceful. They had 2 children, a son, Prince Leo, and a daughter, Princess Lily. The royal family was loved by the people because they were fair and kind to everyone. The palace was full of luxury. There were gold walls, beautiful gardens, and servants who took care of everything. The royal family had everything they could ever need. But not everything was as perfect as it seemed. One day, something strange happened. A man, wearing a dark hood, arrived at the palace gates. He told the guards he had an important message for the king. The guards, feeling worried, quickly went to the king. "Guard, Your Majesty, there is a man outside who says he has a message for you, but he refuses to show his face." King Edward: "A man who won't show his face? This is strange. Let him in. I will speak with him." The man entered the palace and he handed the king a letter. The letter was old and worn, with no name on it. The king opened the letter carefully. The message inside was short but mysterious. King Edward, reading aloud: "The truth lies within your family. Someone you trust is not who they seem to be." The king was confused. Who could this letter be talking about? The king trusted everyone in his family. But could it be true? Was someone lying? King Edward decided to investigate. He called his family together and asked them if they knew anything about the letter. King Edward: "I received a strange letter today. It says that someone in this palace is hiding a secret. We must find out who it is." Queen Isabella: "This is very worrying. We have always trusted each other. Why would anyone want to hurt us?" Prince Leo: "Father, what should we do? Who could be hiding something from us?" The family was confused and worried. They started to look at each other with suspicion. Could someone in the royal family be lying? The next day, Princess Lily decided to search the royal library. She loved reading books and thought she might find something there. While searching, she found an old book hidden behind a shelf. It was dusty and old, but it had a strange mark on the cover. The book looked different from all the others. Lily opened the book and found a letter inside. It was a letter from her mother, Queen Isabella, written many years ago. The letter was about a big secret. It said, "I have hidden the truth from everyone. I have a secret that could change everything. It is about your father, King Edward. But I cannot say more." Princess Lily was shocked. Why had her mother written this? What was the secret? Was this the reason the mysterious man came to the palace? Lily ran to her mother, holding the letter tightly in her hand. She couldn't wait to find out the truth. Princess Lily: "Mother, I found this letter. What does it mean? What secret are you hiding from us?" Queen Isabella looked very surprised. Her face turned pale, and she sat down in a chair. Queen Isabella: "Lily, I didn't want you to find out this way. There is something I must tell you. Your father, he is not the king's son. He is not from this royal family." Lily was shocked. What did her mother mean? If King Edward wasn't her father, then who was he? Princess Lily: "But father has always been our king. He has always treated us like family." Queen Isabella sighed deeply and looked out of the window. Her eyes were full of sadness. Queen Isabella: "A long time ago, before you were born, I was forced to marry the king. But the truth is, I was in love with someone else. I was in love with a man named Lord Richard, who was once a member of the royal family. Lord Richard was a kind and wise man, but he was not accepted by the royal court because of his past." King Edward had heard the conversation from the other room. He came inside and spoke quietly to Lily. King Edward, it's true. I am not the real heir to the throne. Your mother and I made a promise many years ago to protect our family. But I wanted to give you the best life, even if I wasn't truly royal. I wanted to be the king you needed, and I didn't want you to know the truth. Lily was confused, but now the pieces were coming together. The letter, the mysterious man, the secret. It all made sense. But then another twist came. The man who had delivered the letter was no ordinary stranger. He was Lord Richard, her true grandfather. Lord Richard, I have come to claim what is rightfully mine. I am the true king, but I do not want to take your father's place. I only want you to know the truth. The throne belongs to your family, and I want to help you keep it. Lily's heart raced. What did this mean for their future? Princess Lily, what should we do now? Are you going to take the throne from us? Lord Richard smiled warmly at her. Lord Richard, no. I want to see you all happy. You are my family. I only want the best for you. And now that the secret is out, you can live with the truth. The royal family decided to stay united. King Edward remained the ruler of the land, and Lord Richard agreed to stay close, offering his wisdom and support. The royal family was stronger now, because they knew the truth. They no longer had to hide their past. The secret was finally out, and they could move forward together. Lily smiled as she looked at her family. They had faced many challenges, but now they understood each other better. They were ready for a new chapter.